Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, loaded with features. Features also include off-road package, rear view camera, sun moonroof. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2020 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.